Part 1 to the secret beneath the veneer of aging. We often think that signs like fatigue or shortness of breath are due to age, but in reality they could be warning signs of atherosclerosis. Imagine your arteries as a complex system of pipes. Over time, stubborn plaque cholesterol, calcium, and other fats builds up, narrowing and hardening these pipes. This not only reduces blood flow but also forces your heart to work harder to pump blood, leading to serious issues like heart attacks and strokes. But did you know, our bodies have an incredible ability to heal themselves, and the key to reversing this process isn't tea and expensive medications. It's right in your kitchen. I've witnessed many of my patients, after making simple dietary changes, show significant improvements. I just list the foods. I will explain why they are so effective, so you don't just eat them, but you truly understand and believe in their power. Part 2, 7 foods to clean your arteries. Here is a list of 7 foods I recommend my patients incorporate into their daily diet. 1. Flax seeds. The all-in-one savior flax seeds are a nutritional treasure that many people overlook. They are rich in omega-3s in the form of ALA, an essential fatty acid with a powerful anti-inflammatory effect. Inflammation is a major contributor to plaque formation in the arteries. Additionally, flax seeds contain soluble fiber, which acts like a soft broom, sweeping bad cholesterol level out of your body, preventing it from accumulating in your arteries. How to use: grind the flax seeds into a meal before eating, as whole seeds are difficult to digest and your body won't absorb the nutrients. You can sprinkle a tablespoon of flaxseed meal into your yogurt, oatmeal, or morning smoothie. 2. Avocados. Nature's heart balm. Many people fear avocados because of their fat content, but this is a big mistake. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats just like in olive oil, which help increase good cholesterol HAL and reduce bad cholesterol LDL. Imagine HAL cholesterol as a cleanup truck moving through your bloodstream, collecting plaque and taking it back to the liver to be processed. Doctor as tip: don't just eat avocados alone or combine them with leafy greens. The healthy fats in avocados will help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K from the vegetables more effectively. 3. Blueberries. The tiny warrior. These little blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, a powerful type of antioxidant. Anthocyanins help protect the walls of your blood vessels from damage, making them more flexible and elastic. This helps prevent plaque buildup and improves blood circulation. How to use: you can eat blueberries fresh, frozen, or add them to smoothies or cereal. 4. Broccoli. The power of green broccoli isn't just a side dish, it's a superfood. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a plant compound that can activate a protein in your body called NRF2. This protein acts like a cellular defense factory, helping to reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative damage. A doctor's tip: eat broccoli lightly steamed or blanched. Overcooking can reduce the amount of sulforaphane. 5. Tomatoes. The red fireball. The vibrant red color of tomatoes comes from lycopene, a potent antioxidant. Lycopene has been shown to reduce low cholesterol and prevent oxidation, 2 key factors in the development of atherosclerosis. A doctor's secret: lycopene is best absorbed when tomatoes are cooked with a little healthy fat, e.g. olive oil. So enjoy tomato soup, tomato sauce, or sauteed tomatoes. 6. Beets. Nature's blood pump. Beets contain a high amount of natural nitrates. In the body, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a substance that relaxes blood vessels. Imagine nitric oxide as a loosener for constricted pipes, which helps blood flow more easily and lowers blood pressure. This reduces the strain on your heart and vascular system. How to use: you can juice beets, make soup, or add them to salads. 7. Garlic. The familiar elixir. Garlic is not just a spice, it's a powerful natural medicine. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound with anti-inflammatory properties that can lower blood pressure. Research has shown that garlic can help prevent the formation of blood clots and improve the elasticity of blood vessels. A doctor's tip is best to eat garlic raw or crush it and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking to allow the beneficial compounds to form. Part 3. Building a lifestyle, not just a diet. I want you to understand that health doesn't just come from what you eat. It comes from the small, daily choices you make. Get enough sleep. Sleep is the time your body repairs and restores itself. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to inflammation and an increased risk of heart disease. Exercise moderately. You don't need to do strenuous workouts. Just a 30-minute walk each day can make a big difference. Walking improves blood circulation and strengthens your cardiovascular health. Manage stress. Chronic stress is a silent enemy of the heart. Find a way to relieve stress, such as meditation, listening to music, or talking with friends. Listen to your body. It's an intelligent machine, and it's always giving you warning signals. Conclusion and call to action. I understand that changing habits isn't easy, especially when you've been living a certain way for so long. But I want you to know that I am here to support you on this journey. Health is an investment, and it's never too late to start. If you want to learn more about how to protect your heart and live an independent, vibrant life, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next videos. Remember, health is not just the absence of illness. Health is the ability to live a full life without being dependent on anyone. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video.